Hello viewers, welcome back to again my YouTube channel BobPixie Haircuts. So my dear friends, how are you? I hope you people are pretty fine, doing very well. Today I am showing you beautiful haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I give you brand new latest hairstyles of haircuts and hair dye coloring ideas. Sure, bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. Our designs are so gorgeous, so fabulous and trendy. Guys, I am showing you the best entertaining designs of 2022. You can get ideas for my videos about color contrast, single color, amazing, very stylish, short bob haircuts and hair dye color ideas. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will get the notification all of my videos. Friends, today's video has very stylish USA girls, German girls, American girls, haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I must suggest you to watch this video till the end. Friends, if you like my videos, you can share it on your social media accounts. Share it with your family members, so that can to visit my channel and watch the amazing collection and get unique ideas. Friends will continue to watch and support my videos. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. I love this haircut, save your profile. So guys, please visit my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. And you will never miss any videos, any collection of my channel. And don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me, motivates me, and bring to more useful content and more useful videos for you. Guys, I have uploaded different haircuts, hairstyle ideas, short bob haircuts, long bob haircuts, short pixie bob haircuts, and hairstyle ideas. Amazing, very stylish plus size short bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. If you are as a woman or as a housewife, these haircuts will look very beautiful. I hope you enjoy my videos today. I will daily post a video like this, different short hairstyle, different pixie hair fine look cover, that is beautiful hairstyles I shall be showing in my video today. Super stunning and stylish bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. Today you will see in this video solid hair color ideas, very outstanding. You can see this new short pixie bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. Friends, you must watch my video. Please visit my channel and subscribe my channel. Most trending, very stylish short bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I will make a similar videos and present in the front of you. You can get amazing ideas of different haircuts design ideas. Okay, bye, take care.